Welcome back.
Oh, are we doing a new one?
Yeah, well, the other one just ended, but then I was like, this video is gonna be so long that we're gonna baby Miles got his first official rip.
Yeah.
He was actually in the car. I hope the 360 does good at nighttime. I don't know how good it does, so either that footage is gonna get scrapped or it's gonna be very chopped up, super whatever, but we brought him out. I was like, you know what? It's time for him to start duning and not just putting around at 5 miles per hour.
Yeah.
Did you like it? Did you have fun?
Was that a good times?
Smile, something?
Say yeah. I had he wants to take over
he wants
vlogging.
to eat the camera. He is a future vlogger. He will take over this channel one day, I hope. Anyways, we missed a little bit of sunset. We were hanging out with Trevor. Him and his awesome wife were kind enough to invite us over for dinner, which I think I said in the last video, which is only an hour ago, but it's just weird how things go. So
for us,
yeah, it was so awesome to spend time with them, and we had a blast. So I just wanted to come out here, catch what was left of sunset. We'll probably rip a little bit. The nights with cameras are just not as good sometimes. The DJI does pretty good, but we're gonna meet up with our buddy Christian. He's here. The rest of the crew, they were just day tripping it. Vern and Christian went back home, but gonna go rip some more in the morning. We got some stuff to do. Huh?
You mean Richard? You said Vern.
Oh, Vern and Richard. Sorry guys, I'm thinking of too many people at one time because there's so many people with us. So we're probably just gonna hang out tonight a little bit, hang out with some friends, do a little chilling.
Tomorrow we're gonna do some review of the Cardo headsets.
Yeah.
Give you guys our feedback, test them out a little bit, get something cool on the books. So check out the description below, because that's fun.
Yeah. Look at old P Mizzle, guys. I tell you what, man, I'm so glad that I went with that blue and orange in the wheels, and I didn't overdo it with the orange in the wheels.
That's good.
And she's back where she belongs. This is her home. Glamis is fun, but it doesn't ever feel like home to me. St. Anthony's feels like home. The second I touched down from Idaho Dunes and started driving to go meet up with everybody at Egan Lake Campground, it just felt like home. I don't know how to explain it. This place is peace. It's tranquility, if that's a word. I think it's a word. I've heard it. Is tranquility a word? Yes, and it means at peace. I just made the definition up. But it's something about St. Anthony's is just it's so peaceful. Glamis is great. Don't get me wrong. I am not knocking on Glamis. I love going there. To me, it's like going to a nightclub. Coming here is like coming to church. And that's the best way I can explain St. Anthony's. And any of you Glamis guys that say, oh, blah, 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 you've never been here with us. You've never ripped these dunes the right way. So I invite you, if you're a Glamis person and you're a subscriber, come up here and let our crew show you these dunes, and your mind will be blown. We did a 45-minute session today, never stopped, never slowed down because we were worried about other people. Not to say this place don't get busy, it does, but the flow here, it's not to be matched in any dunes. Dumont has a flow, but they don't have enough dunes. So picture the flow of Dumont and then multiply it times 20. Because that's what this place has. It's just so much flow and it's so much fun. But we're gonna go over here to Thunder. This is the big hangout spot. This is a dead weekend. It's the beginning of dune season here. There's not a lot of people here yet.
Okay, you guys, I know I told you last night that we were today for us, we'd be doing some Cardo stuff. So that's what we're working on today before we leave St. Anthony. So we've got our Cardo packs here. They are that's the Cardo ORV Pack Talk Edge phones, and we've already got these all put together because we've been playing with them before, trying to get them figured out. We were talking with Bryce with Dune Life Co. because I was like, man, I feel like I'm special needs because trying to get these connected to our phones, Jonathan and I were struggling so much. My headphones kept trying to connect to Jonathan's phone. So I think there's definitely, we're gonna work with Cardo for the connectivity when it comes to your phones, to see maybe we were doing something wrong, or maybe there's something we can improve, because that was definitely really, really frustrating trying to get it connected. Once we got them connected, it was great. We were listening to each other's music. The cancellation of these is actually, like, even without any sound on, is really, like, and they're comfortable. They're not super heavy. They're pretty lightweight. So we're going to go out and play with these and give you guys some feedback today, because we're also going to make a cool little video with Cardo, or for Cardo, for Mother's Day. So I don't know when this video is coming out, but happy Mother's Day to any of the ladies out there.
This video is actually coming out on Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, you guys. Look, and I put Miles in his Mom is my best friend onesie. So happy Mother's Day. We are so appreciative of all of you mamas out there, all you moto moms and all you moms that are traveling and keeping up with soccer or dirt bike races or baseball, football, all that stuff. Like, you guys are amazing and keep kicking butt. Okay guys, we've got our edge phones on. We're gonna go do a little ride and stuff. We've got the recording in progress so we can test this out and see what it sounds like, especially when we're riding. So that's what we're doing.
You gotta pull your mic up a little bit more here.
Oh, I know, but Miles keeps grabbing it and pulling it down.
Campground. We got a whole bunch of cars. Everybody's rocking the Dune Life Co. flags. So definitely check him out. Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. It's Dune Life Co. Go give him a follow. It's a cool guy.
I think Co stands for company.
Oh, yeah.
It may.
I think you're probably
Does it stand?
right.
I think it stands for company.
It could stand for
Coffee?
coffee.
What else could Co stand for?
Well, I would say it, but I don't. It's not appropriate.
Codependent?
Yeah.
I don't know. Contractor? We'll have to
So
ask
many
Bryce.
things. Yeah,
we'll have to ask Bryce to see what he says.
Look, guys, the sun is shining and the skies are blue. It's so beautiful today. It's not too hot, but it's got a little breeze, but it's not too cold. So it's a beautiful day to go riding. Why not? And it's May the 4th. Today, for us, because this video obviously will come out after today. Today, for us, 1 year ago, we had our May the 4th be with the baby shower. That was when you was still in Mommy's tummy. You was in Mama's tummy then. Yeah, it's crazy how fast time flies. Okay, we're all gonna get our Cardos connected here. So we're gonna press this little Wi-Fi button all at the same time. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Hold it for 5 seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5. Let go.
Searching for
I'd say succeeded.
Oh, I can hear you. Uh-huh. I hear you. Yeah. Success. Okay, guys, let's go ride.
Cut off the lights, yeah. I perform better at night. I've been outside with the mice, yeah. Eating that chicken and rice, right? While it was filled with the mites, now it's an infinite price. If they wasn't living your life, then they shouldn't give you advice, right? How could we honor your words? Yeah, we see you missing your stripes. We get it, you've been in the game for a minute, but it's time to kick it. We know that you finished. The future is coming. Let's stick to the mission and aim for the target with deadly precision. We pissing them off and pitching the victims. Yeah, we call them victims because they're demolition. I'm changing the rules and breaking tradition and making, because nobody making a difference. I see it.
Okay, you guys, we made it back to camp safe. Oh wait, I'm getting a lot of, maybe I should take these off. I will say, one of the perks of the Cardo headsets is it keeps sand out of your ears, that's for sure, which is nice. I thought it was really cool how we could easily press one button and all of us were connected on the same channel. I think that's one of the things that's like a big bonus to the Cardo headsets, is because they're wireless, the edge phones are wireless. So you don't have to worry about installing an entire setup, and then if you ever sell your machine, you lose out on your entire comm system. So this is really great that it's completely wireless. It connects to your phone if you can get it connected. Apparently it's an iPhone thing, because I was talking to Bryce, and Bryce also has an iPhone and he can't get his to connect to the app either. So that's definitely something I want to work on, see if I can figure it out. But it was nice. It's cool to like just, you know, I don't know. I like sitting in silence and just thinking in my thoughts when I'm riding in the car. But what do you think?
I like them a lot, actually. I hate things being on my head. But these are super comfortable and the sound is good. They're JBL speakers. They don't have like a ton of bass, but like honestly, like unless you have like two 12s in your car, it's probably gonna sound better in your stereo system anyways. So it was cool. Also, I want to give a shout out to my buddy with Modern Offroad.
Is that a carbon fiber stick?
Yeah, Modern Offroad mounts. We've had the 360 on it. I haven't recorded a super ton with this because I'm still learning this thing, because I lost my last one on the first day I got it. But this mount has worked out good so far. I'm probably gonna put lock washers behind the wing nuts, but I will drop a link to you guys in our section below in case you want a 360 mount, a carbon fiber one. Yeah.
Heck yeah, guys. Yeah, so are we wrapping up this video?
I think that's it.
I think that's it. Jonathan's got to change out the paddles. I got to get the house ready. It's time to head back home, unfortunately, but
It was a quick weekend.
it was a good weekend. Do you want me to? So that's a wrap, guys. We're gonna wrap up our trip and head home, and we appreciate you guys. Thank you for being part of the Off-Road Diaries family. Thanks for just sticking with us and all the support, all the positivity. You guys are amazing. We appreciate you. And we'll see you in the next diary entry. Baby Miles is passed out, so we'll see how much work I can get done while he sleeps. Bye.